Welcome to No More Tire Changers. I'm Corey. Today I'm going to be showing you how to break the bead with the ground level bead breaker on our CH models. This is also one of our newer models as well. It's the new HD Max. It has a ground level bead breaker as well. I have added the scratch proof bead breaker to this because we are using a nice wheel. The scratch proof bead breaker is an option with these tire changers. To break the bead, I actually use a center post from the changer to install in the bead breaker. Do not use the mount demount bar. Make sure your breaker tee is straight up and down. I've supported the other end of the tire with our new tire. What that does is keep the rotor out of harm's way so you're not pressing on the wheel, bending your rotor. I've let the air out, taken the core out because it is a tube tire. Got the brake arm set in the lower setting for motorcycle wheels. The higher setting is for ATV wheels or wide wheels. Just press down firmly. And then sometimes you got to rotate the wheel a little bit. This has a tube in it. Make sure to not press directly down on the stem area. Again, maintain that the breaker tee is pretty much straight up and down. And we're here, flip the wheel over. Do the other side. And do the other side. There you have it. Bead's broken.